Jen, so your mother coming down the hallway.
Great. I'd really like to say hi to her before I...
This morning sickness is too much. Listen, we'll tell her about the baby tonight, after the wedding.
No,
She'll be in a better mood.
The only goal I have for tonight is for Mom to meet with Marvin Griff and for her to wow him and get the show back.
She doesn't even know that you set this
Oh,
up yet.
but you know, Mom, she'll wow his socks off. Besides, I mean, everything will be great after that, and then I can tell her I'm pregnant, I promise.
Jenna, darling, hi. I came as soon as I got your message. Honey, what is it? You look terrible. Honey, what is it? Are you sick?
No, I'm fine. I just have a little bit of an upset stomach. Yeah, Dee, would you get the door for me, honey?
Absolutely.
What's going on here?
Mom, you are never going to believe what I did.
You're going to love this. This is great.
are.
This is cool.
What? Tell
Marvin
me.
Griff is coming here to watch me interview Perry Moreland.
Well, you know, he's the biggest syndicator in the country.
I know, so listen to what I did. When I found out he was coming, I called up his secretary, right? And I told her to push the meeting a half an hour earlier.
You're going to love this. This is cool. This is
What?
cool.
I mean, I don't know. I don't understand what's happening.
Well, the reason why I wanted for you to be here is so that he can meet you instead of me.
But why?
Because that way you can pitch all of your great ideas about Breakfast with Felicia, and I can back you up.
And I bet you anything, and with this whole deal, Sloan will get thrown out, too. I mean,
There
this
you
is
go.
a smart girl. This is a good deal.
So? What? You don't think it'll work?
I don't even care if it works. I just can't believe you did this for me. You're such a darling. God,
So what?
Jenna, I don't know if I'd do without you. You know that?
Does that mean you'll do it? Will you? Will you meet him?
You know what? I already know him.
Oh, it's great.
You
So
know,
that
Sloan
makes
is going to
it
have a
easier.
cow. You know
Howard
that.
Sloan.
Cares about Sloan.
Yeah, right. I mean, what's she going to do, fire me? Listen, I have to go over to Cass and Frankie's house.
I got to go over there, too.
Yes, you do. And, well, when I come back, we'll plan our strategy. How's that?
Great.
I love you very much. You know what? You're even starting to grow on me. Thank you. I'll see you later.
See you over there.
Bye. Is that all right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I need a cracker. Listen, was I green through the
No,
whole
you
thing?
have to tell her that you're pregnant. We got to tell her soon,
Dean,
especially when
not
you get
until
sick
she
like
gets
this.
the show back. And then maybe...
What?
Well, maybe everyone will get off this alcohol trip. I mean, if Mom's happy, she's not going to need to drink, right?